Welcome, everyone, to today's video of Tech It's Simple. Hey there, it's our professionals. Are you looking for the video on how to log into the Amplify HR website? Just watch this complete tutorial video. In order to get logged in, first, go to the search bar of Google and search for Amplify HR login. Here you'll see many search results. Scroll down and click on this Login Amplify link. You'll be redirected to the login page of this website. As you can see, there is a login form where you have to fill in the email. Let me fill the email as tempusir@gmail.com and simply click on this Next button. Now you have to fill the password of the account. Make sure your password is of your account and it is correct. If you have forgotten it, you can click on this Forgot Password. Simply click on this Login button and if all the credentials are correct, you'll be logged in on this Amplify website. If you find our content helpful, then don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.